cooking. I hope you like this recipe. Alright, here I'm taking the skin off the chicken, and of course you can buy skinless chicken without the bone in, and I am using 4 total, but for this recipe you can add up to 6 with the same ingredients. You don't need to change anything. Okay, here you will be putting the chicken facing down. I found it that if you put the chicken facing down, it cooks way much better and the chicken is way much softer. And then after that you will add 1 cup of water, and you will add 1 cube of chicken bouillon. If you don't have this on hand, then you can add 1 cup of chicken stock instead of the 1 cup of water. Okay, now that that is added, you will be adding 3 tablespoons of butter. You can use whatever butter you have. I used this one because this is what I had. Alright guys, the chicken is done. That was fast, that was super quick. All the ingredients were super easy. And now let's see how the chicken came out. And the chicken came out super nice, super soft, comes right off the bone. This is my favorite to do all the time when I need something quick.
Subscribe to my video, and I hope you like this recipe and everything on my cooking stuff. Bye!